Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset this a Mercedes A-Class. It's a 2008 model. It's a W169 model. And I'm going to show you how you can reset this for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel. It's Service Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. Any comments, any questions are also welcome. Use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. As you can see, when we turn the ignition to the second position, the indicator for the surface appears on the dashboard, and we'd like that to go away. Okay, the first step is to have the ignition on the first position, not the second one. The first position, this is the first one, this is the second one. We have to have it on the first one, and it's also important to have the total odometer visible on the dashboard. Once that is also visible, we have a button over here. Press that three times. 1, 2, 3. Then a secret menu appears on the dashboard like this. Once we are here, use the left side of the steering wheel to enter the menu. Press it once. Once you are here, we have to go to confirmation. There are some data. Use the right side and the minus button to go down. Once you are in confirmation, we have to confirm with the left side again and use this button over here. Yes, and then you'll get this. And we did a full service. So we have to confirm the upper one. The confirmation button was this one. Confirm again. And as you can see, it says service confirmed. Okay, and we can check it by turn the ignition off, turning back the ignition on, and as you can see, the indicator doesn't appear anymore. We can search for the indicator, and as you can see, the next service is due to 20,000 kilometers. That was it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Did you enjoy and didn't you subscribe yet? Subscribe to our channel. And I hope to see you next time with another video on another day. Stay safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.